truly resonates with our core values, sir. And gifting of Bhagavad Gita was a masterstroke. I think this is not only an eye opener for the students, but it's also an eye opener for the proud parents sitting here, even the teachers. So thank you, sir. Now, the most awaited moment. Yes, it's the time to shine a spotlight on some truly remarkable individuals, beginning with Samman Samaro. I would request Shri Chudamna sir and Shri Deshpande sir to present the awards. The first category of awards are for the outstanding performances of our class 5 to 9 and 11 students. Here we are acknowledging both the achievers rank 1 position and rank 2 positions. I would like to request the respective class teachers or in-charge teachers to send the awardees as their names are announced. So, taking the first, put your hands together for class 5 first rank position in annual examination, Rajat Bhavi Bodri, getting 433 marks out of 500. Rajat Bhavi Bodri.
Second also.
Second, Patel Kenny Mitesh Kumar. Patel Kenny Mitesh Kumar securing 391 out of 500. Standard 6, Patel Drisha Jitendra, first rank in annual exam, total marks secured 557 out of 700. And Joshi Vani Amrish, standard 6 again, second rank in annual examination, total marks secured 463 out of 700. Patel Drisha, first rank. Joshi Vani, second rank. Here comes Patel Drisha Jitendra and Joshi Vani securing first and second rank from standard 6. The next from class 7, Shah Preena Mayank and second rank Desai Hardi Chirag securing 638 out of 700.
માર્ક્સ ના સંભળે એવું ના કરશો.
Shah Preena Mayank and Desai Hardi Chirag. Dev Himanshu and Patel Mehak Ketan, please be ready. Standard 8.
See, we are doing such a function for the first time. અમે બી ઘણું બધું શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Coming to acknowledging standard 8. Shah Dev Himanshu securing first rank in annual exam, total marks 670 out of 700 and he is truly deserving. Patel Mehak Ketan Second rank in annual exam, total marks 656 out of 700, and she too is a deserving candidate. Standard 9, Shah Arya Jayesh Kumar and Upadhyay Sakshi Girish Kumar. Please be ready.
Before these two, See, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th ના ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ રેન્ક હોલ્ડર્સનું પ્રાઇઝ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. બિગ રાઉન્ડ ફોર ઓલ ધ સ્ટુડન્ટ ઓફ 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th.
Coming to standard 9, Shah Arya Jayesh Kumar, first rank in annual examination, total marks 675 out of 700, and second, Upadhyay Sakshi Girish Kumar, second rank in annual exam 669 700. A huge round of applause, truly deserving candidates. Coming to standard 11, please be ready. Mohammad Ryan, Mohammad Hanif Memon, class 11, and Pathar Kavya Pankaj Kumar.
11th maths group,
11th standard maths group,
रैयान एंड काव्या. एक ट्रिविया बोलो. यस, ये दोनों लड़कियां जिनको अभी अवार्ड मिला, दोनों की एल्डर सिस्टर्स भी हमारे स्कूल की स्टूडेंट्स थी. बोथ ऑफ देम वेर अचीवर्स, दे आर ऑल्सो अचीवर्स. फैमिली ट्रेडिशन है.
So honoring standard 11 maths group, Mohammad Ryan, Mohammad Hanif Memon, 11th maths, first rank in annual examination maths group, total 468 out of 500, and the second position goes to Pathar Kavya, securing 467 out of 500. 11th bio group, please be ready. Thakkar Nupur Harshad Bhai and Patel Diya Minesh Chandra.
ये रयान का फर्स्ट और सेकेंड टर्म में फर्स्ट रैंक नहीं था. लास्ट ईयर के एनुअल फंक्शन भी उसका बहुत अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन था. बट ही हैड अ डिटर्मिनेशन कि मुझे फर्स्ट रैंक लाना है, एंड ही वर्कड हार्ड अलॉन्ग विद एनुअल फंक्शन एंड अचीव्ड दिस. बिग राउंड फॉर हिम.
Harshad Bhai, securing 400.
$483 out of 500. खाली परसेंटेज गणो આપણે એમ કંઈક.
Thank you, sir. Now, coming to the excellence to the highest attendance awards. Please give your ears. Highest attendance awards. Patel Jia Mehul Kumar. Patel Jia Mehul Kumar, 201 out of 204, class 5.
Jia is coming from Halol. In 5th standard, she has received maximum attendance. Daily coming from 45 kilometers away, and that also in 5th standard, is really a remarkable
A huge
achievement.
round of applause for these both the children.
This congratulations, this medal is for mothers, that is parents, father and mother. This is their achievement because they are the representative of the family, they are getting it.
Coming to standard 6, Parikh Man Sapan and Patel Dwij Amrish Bhai. Both of the students have come 299 days out of 204. Standard 6, Parikh Man Sapan and Patel Dwij Amrish Bhai.
We appreciate their parents for this achievement. છોકરાઓનું ઓનર થાય છે, પણ એકચ્યુઅલી એ પેરેન્ટ્સની અચીવમેન્ટ.
Standard 7, Patel Rudra Pankaj Kumar and Patel Tanvi Deepen. Both of them coming 197 days out of 204. Patel Rudra Pankaj Kumar and Patel Tanvi.
After COVID, to have this regular attendance was a dream which is slowly and steadily going towards 100%. Beta, please have the hand of applause for them. Because to be regular in daily routine leads to other successes in life.
Coming to standard 8, Thakkar Daksh Sunil and Rathod Kavya Dhirendra, both of them have come all the 208 days.
100% attendance.
208 and 207, both huge
Daksh.
round of applause.
Daksh has not even skipped one day of the school in whole 8th standard.
This year it is highest attendance. In the coming years, we want to make it 100% attendance only. So students, take care.
The next goes standard 9, Patel Het Janak, coming 220 days out of 221, and Patel Dev Paresh Kumar. This should be for every child, not only specifically 9th. Thank you. Class 10, Joshi Dhruv Ashutosh and Togadia Sneh Kalpesh Kumar, both of them coming for 206 days out of 209. And Thakkar Vaishnavi Arpit Bhai. Thakkar Vaishnavi Arpit Bhai, 206 out of 209. I would request Nimish sir also to join.
नहीं मैडम, सोनल
Okay, Sonal ma'am.
10th standard 3 students 206 out of 209. 10th માં તો છેલ્લે એવું થાય કોર્સ પતી ગયો હવે નથી જવું. 12th માં બી એવું થાય. So this is a great achievement.
A huge round of applause.
હાથ દુખી જાય એટલી તાલી પાડવાની છે પ્લીઝ.
Class 11, Machhar Saurabh Gulabhai and Desai Pushti Hardik. The highest attendance 219 out of 219. And 217 out of 219. Saurabh and Desai Pushti.
ઓકે.
Thank you.
અરે ચેક એવું છે વસ્તુ.
Class 12, Shah Dhruv Biren Kumar and Rathod Nilesh Kumar, coming 156 all days and 152 out of 156. Shah Dhruv Biren Kumar and Rathod Nilesh Kumar. A huge round of applause.
I'll take 1 minute to share Dhruv's experience. He was hospitalized, but he did not want to miss the school. So he came to the school and he has 100% attendance.
That to coming to school between the glucose and all that monitoring with that veins in vein flow in his hand. Basically, this is for the parents.
Madam, हो गया. हाँ. Before we move on to the next category, I just want to know how many parents and students noted. બધા સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં અટેન્ડન્સ એક સરખી હતી કે ડિફરન્ટ હતા ડેઝ? 5th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં 204 ને હમણાં 11th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં થઈ જાય. એ લોકો સેલ્ફ સ્ટડીના મોડમાં આવે. 10thમાં એ લોકો એક્સ્ટ્રા પ્રેક્ટિસમાં, એટલે નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ બધાના વર્કિંગ ડિફરન્ટ છે. સો પ્લીઝ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ, નંબર ઓફ હોલિડેઝ ઇન 5 to 8 આર મોર then 9-11 and minimum in 10 and 12 because more writing practice is needed in board exam. Now we move on to the next category.
Thank you. Well, now comes the most awaited moment, acknowledging the co-curricular activities. So commencing with that, we are starting with sports, standard 7th. Tindor Ria Ajay, standard 7th, for karate. Silver and bronze medals in 3rd Siko Gai Karate Gujarat Open Championship in class 7 karate, silver medal in coaching camp and 8th Indian Open Karate Championship.
પહેલાનું મેડલ
Put
પહેરીને
your
જાય
hands together for this. Co-curricular activities and sports is necessary.
Dvij is taken care by his father and his elder sister.
Thank
છે
you.
અહીંયા છે. દ્વિજના ફાધર છે અહીંયા? અમરીશભાઈ. અચ્છા, એશા ઇઝ ધેર. અવર એક સ્ટુડન્ટ એશા ઇઝ ધેર. અરે દ્વિજની મોટી બહેન, એ પણ અમારી સ્ટુડન્ટ છે. બિગ રાઉન્ડ ફોર હર એઝ અ સિંગલ પેરેન્ટ અને સિસ્ટર એ લોકોમાં. યસ.
Coming to the awards in excellence of sports, art and culture for standard 10th. Maitreya Heth Mansukh, 10th standard karate, first rank in Gujarat State Sub-Junior Cadet Junior Karate Championship 2025. Maitreya Heth. Patel Vivan Hemin Kumar, 10th standard for cricket, under 19 cricket tournament runner-up trophy and receiving a cash prize. Darji Darsh Sachin, 10th standard shooting, R.M. Halwai Memorial District Shooting Competition gold medal. I would request Mihir sir to do the honors. Darji Darsh Sachin, standard 10th.
સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ભણવામાં સારા છે, એટેન્ડન્સ મેક્સિમમ આપે છે, સ્પોર્ટ્સમાં બી અચીવમેન્ટ લાવે છે.
Thank you. Coming to, and Vaida Jaiwal Anand for music, grade 2 in drum music exam. Mihir sir, please do the honors. Shahdev Dhaval, Vakharia Jia and Vaida Jaiwal Anand. Thank you, sir. Standard 11, Shah Falak Chetan Kumar, Karate, National Independence Open Karate Championship, 3rd rank at state level. Telang Anjali Kedar, You Are Rights, UALA Self-Poetry Competition winner, gold category. She also received 700 cash prize. And Patel Vansh Hiren, 12th standard, You Are Rights, securing 2nd position in You Are Rights. A huge round of applause for all the three. We are talking about sports and literature.
इलेवंथ और ट्वेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड है तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है. दैट्स अ रॉन्ग इंटरप्रिटेशन. और भी अचीवमेंट्स पढ़ाई के साथ हो सकते.
Now, coming the award for excellence in exceptional contribution, standard 12. These are the two children who helped us in 2024 annual concert, contributing a lot in art and culture. Baria Krish Nitin and Krisha Nitin and Mohammad Ryan, Mohammad Hanif Menon. So this proves that not only education, they are quite influenced.
They were in 11th last year.
Baria
Now they are in
Krisha.
12th. Now they are in 12th. But during annual function, they made reels and they contributed in various activities during the annual function. So big round of applause for both of them.
Thank you, sir. Patel Hriday, standard 7 and standard 8, Desai Yash. All these awardees are getting for discipline. Govani Kalashri, Vasava Abhijay from standard 10, Govani Kalashri from standard 9, Jane Haight from standard 11 and Patel Nandini from standard 12.
कलर्स ने अचीवमेंट पाई है.
Kalashri Govani, outstanding performance for external exams, Hindi as her forte. Vasava Abhijay,
Kalashri has got awards in external examinations for her great achievement. We are recognizing that over here. And Abhijay has done great academic improvement by joining the school. When he joined, his result was something, and now he is something and is going to do much better in 11th and 12th. We appreciate that for Abhijay.
as far as Abhijay is concerned, it is, if standard 10th, 11th, 12th, everybody knows about Nelson Mandela, a young silent monk. Jane Haight from standard 11 and standard 12 Patel Nandini. Now she has come out with an sketch. She made sketches for all the teachers showing gratitude of teaching, which is an outstanding thing for all the teachers of secondary and higher secondary.
ભણતી હતી ત્યારે ભાગ્યા જ બોલે, પણ એનું ભણવાનું પૂરું થયું ત્યારે બધા ટીચર્સના સ્કેચ પોતાના એફર્ટ તરીકે બનાવીને બધાને ગિફ્ટ કર્યા એણે, વિચ ઇઝ અ ગ્રેટ કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ફ્રોમ હર. એન્ડ હેત જૈન, I would like to have a big round of applause for him. Yes, he is in 12th now. When he was in 11th, he lost his father. And thereafter, it takes time to get normal. But he got back to normalcy after that tragedy in his personal life and got very good result in 11th and is doing much better in 12th now. So big round for him. That resilience is respected. Yes. And for his...
Sir also was student of Nimish sir in those days when A and B groups were not divided, and at present she is associate professor in Ahmedabad College and she is teaching neurology. Thank you very much.
Science and wisdom, hand in hand, we build the future.
Hope you are enjoying. Nevertheless, you are the best judge to decide. This is not a competition. Trying a bit. If you like it, I'll be more than happy. भाई लोग, मुंबई के भाई लोग मतलब गुंडे लोग, उनकी एक इमरजेंसी मीटिंग हो गई जिसमें बाबू जलेला, पप्पू कोरला, अनवर हटेला सब आ गए. उनका जो हेड है, उन्होंने बोला, ए बाबू जलेला बैठ, ए पप्पू कोरला बैठ. एक ने अचानक बोला, भाई क्या हुआ, एकदम से बुलाया, अचानक बुलाया, मर्डर करने को जा रहा था, छोड़ के आया. बैठ, अभी सुन, मैंने देखा है अभी अपने धंधे में पहले जैसा मजा रहा नहीं है. पब्लिक शानी हो गई है, पैसा घर पे रखती नहीं है, एटीएम का नाटक आ गेला है. ये एटीएम कौन निकाला है मैं देख रहा है. कल से अपन लाइन चेंज करेंगे, कल से अपन सत्संग प्रवचन स्टार्ट करेंगे. मैंने देखा है बाबा लोगों को बोल वचन पब्लिक को देने का, एड़े लोग आते हैं, पैर को हाथ लगाते हैं, पैसा भी देके जाते हैं. एकदम व्हाइट कॉलर धंधा है, पुलिस का भी नाटक नहीं है, इनकम टैक्स का भी लफड़ा नहीं है. कल से सत्संग स्टार्ट करूंगा. ए अनवर हटेला, इस्कॉन बुक कर दे कल से. अभी इस्कॉन बुक हो गया. जैसे ही इस्कॉन बुक हो गया, ये जो हेड है उन्होंने पूछा, पब्लिक आ गई है भाई, हाउसफुल है, एकदम हाउसफुल है, मैंने बाहर से कड़ी बड़ी मार दी है, बीच में से कोई जा भी नहीं सकेगा. अरे ये मेरा पहला प्रवचन है, मेरे से कोई ऊंच नीच हो जाए, मेरे सिक्योरिटी का क्या किया है भाई. मैंने क्या किया है, हर गेट पे मैंने अपने 2-2 आदमी कुछ इस तरह से खड़े कर दिए. ऐसा क्यों? मैंने हर एक को आधा लीटर पेट्रोल दिए लाए. बाई से कुछ ऊंच नीच हो, बाई बोले थूक, माचिस मार के निकल लेने का. ठीक है, ए बाबू जलेला, ये ले मेरा घोड़ा, ये इसको डाल और करमंडल में रख. भाई मैंने डाला है, थोड़ा करमंडल से बाहर आ रहा है. अरे एड़े, नारियल फोड़ के ढक्कन पहना इसको. और साउंड सिस्टम में मेरे को कोई लफड़ा नहीं मांगता है. मेरा पहला प्रवचन है, साउंड सिस्टम, माइक चेक कर 1 2 4 1 2 4 3 किधर है? ये अभी लीक हो रहा है एड़े, इसको ठीक करा. पर्दे वाले, पर्दा खोल बोलूं, खोला नहीं, पूरा खोल डालूंगा, जगह पे दिखना. ठीक है, पहला प्रवचन स्टार्ट करता हूं. प्रथम अध्याय आरंभ कर रेला हूं. जिस समय सीता मैया अपनी खोली में बैठेली थी, उस समय लंका का भाई कंस आयला था. कंस ने बोला, माते मला भूख लागली, मला खायला द्या, मला भिक्षा द्या. इतने में से ऑडियंस में से कोई बोला, महाराज क्षमा कीजिए, वो भाई कंस नहीं था, वो भाई रावण था, त्रुटि हो रही है, मुझे रामायण कंठस्थ है, वो रावण था। अभी कौन है? टॉर्च मार टॉर्च मार टॉर्च मार, इसको ले जा साइड में ले जा और 2-3 पेना इसको, इसको बोल कोई अच्छे धंधे में आ रहा है तो बीच में उंगली करना जरूरी है क्या? ये ज्यादा ब्लड नहीं मांगता है, जिधर से उठाया था उधर ही बिठा, नहीं तो पब्लिक बोलेगी एक एक कम किधर हो रेला है। द्वितीय अध्याय आरंभ कर रेला हूं। जिस समय द्रौपदी का चीरहरण हो रेला था, चीर है के खींचता जा रहा है, चीर है के खींचता जा रहा है, चीर खींच रहा था कुंभकर्ण, चीर है के खींचता जा रहा है, खत्म होने का नाम नहीं ले रहा है, क्योंकि उसके पीछे ताकत थी सुदर्शन चक्रधारी भगवान गणेश की। इतने में से ऑडियंस में से फिर से एक बोला, महाराज भाई मुझे लगता है वो कुंभकर्ण नहीं थे, वो दुशासन ने चीर खींचा था, और वो कृष्ण भगवान थे, गणेश जी नहीं थे। अभी कौन है? तू है तू? नहीं नहीं भाई मैं तो पहले वाला हूं, ये मेरे बाजू वाला बोला है, इसको आइडिया नहीं ना आपके बारे में, इसको कहां भेजूं? भाई वहां पे ही जाओ, कर्टन डाल कर्टन डाल कर्टन डाल, इससे मैं बात करेगा, तेरे को मैं एक ही शर्त पे छोड़ेगा। हाँ तू मुझे ये बता, द्रौपदी का चीर दुशासन की जगह पे कुंभकर्ण खींचेगा तो तेरे बाप का क्या जाएगा? थैंक यू।
Round for applause. So now henceforth you should understand that maths teachers and physics teachers can come out with this kind of comic sense also in the classes also. Now coming to music also plays a very important role in our lives. So your favorite Kaushal sir comes out with, so no need to introduction, no need of introduction. As I said, your favorite Kaushal sir will come out with a beautiful song and mesmerize you all. Kaushal sir.
નમસ્તે. લાઈક મેની ઓફ અસ, આઈ એમ નોટ અ ટ્રેન્ડ સિંગર ઓર એનીથિંગ. તો જેને સૂર તાલમાં ખબર પડતી હોય એડવાન્સમાં સોરી. સોંગ ગમે છે, હું ગાઉં છું. નવ વી ગુજરાતીઝ હેવ ધીસ ટેન્ડન્સી, આપણને કોઈ રસ્તામાં મળે આપણે શું પૂછીએ, કેમ છો? નાના હોય તો કેમ છે? નવ ઇન ધીસ સોંગ, બિકોઝ ઓફ આર્ટિસ્ટિક લિબર્ટી, યુ આર સપોઝ ટુ તમારા લોકોએ આ 2 વર્ડ્સ મારી સાથે ગાવાના છે, કેમ છે. એ ક્યારે આવશે? જ્યારે આપણે ગુજરાતી કોઈ મળે તો શું પૂછે? પૂછે કે હા બસ આ કેમ છે તમારા મોઢામાંથી આવવું જોઈએ, બરાબર છે? બાકીનું હું જોઈ લઈશ, અને હું લોચો મારું તો તમે જોઈ લેજો, બરાબર? ઓકે, સો હિયર વી ગો. ના ઓકે. ઓચિંતુ કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ઓચિંતુ કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, નથી ભીતર ભીનાશ થતી ઓછી. આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, નથી ભીતર ભીનાશ થતી ઓછી. વધઘટના કાંઠાઓ રાખે હિસાબ, નથી પરવા સમંદરને હોતી. સૂરજ તો ઉગે અને આથમીએ જાય, મારી ઉપર આકાશ એમનેમ છે. આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ઓચિંતુ કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ. એકલો ઊભું ને તોય મેળામાં હોવ એવું લાગ્યા કરે છે મને રોજ. તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમખેમ છે. આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. થેન્ક યુ.
To turn challenges into triumphs. A person who has always looked at the brighter side of life and found inner strength. She is a living legend, an epitome of great human spirit. Garima Vyas, a national record holder, para swimmer, a book editor. She is a consultant, avid reader. She is a reading enthusiast and she literally loves to be with books. I would request you to see her journey through the video clip.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं. हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं. तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं. जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ. आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात, हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात. आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग, गाए जा अपना राग राग. आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Huge round of applause.
A life of quality, more precious than gold. Science and wisdom, hand in hand.
Thank you, sir.
TCS, we shine. The complete system, our hearts align. With best education and morals to hold. A life of quality, more precious than gold. Science and wisdom, hand in hand. We build the future on this land. Shannon School, our guiding flame. With integrity, we'll make our name. In our halls, we learn to chase the sun. Each day's a chapter newly begun.
Thank you,
We
sir.
carve our path.
Hello everyone, I hope you are having a lovely day so far. I remember I think I was in my 12th standard at that time, and at that moment I had been awarded the Ideal Student Award in my school. I had topped my school in humanities, and I think I was in the top 10 or so in the city. And even in that moment, I had no idea what I was going to do with my life after that. So, I mean, so many times we are, forced to think कि आगर सु करवू छे, what do you want to do? But to be honest, life never goes the way you actually plan it. I was 14 years old when I had my spinal cord injury. I was on a trek and someone on the trek slipped and fell and I got hurt in the impact. And since that moment on, a lot of things about my life have changed. But thankfully, my brain and my body have both tried their best to support me in all the ways possible. Talking about my academic journey during that time, like I said, my life has changed in many ways. When I had the accident, I did not have any control over my lower body since that moment. And there was very intensive rehab that I had, like 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. I was constantly exercising at home. And a lot of the time, I couldn't even attend school full time. I used to go half days, sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the evening, so that I could attend at least one lecture for every subject every week. And this pattern carried on throughout my bachelor's, my master's. And even when I was not able to give full time to my studies, I was making sure that it wasn't really affecting the way I was learning. I still had questions. I wanted to know things. I wanted to understand things. And I didn't just rely on what teachers taught me in class. I asked them things. I Googled things. I also watched a lot of YouTube videos. I read a lot of books. My father has a huge book collection and he used to recommend me so many books. And that taught me a lot of things. But one of the most important things that my injury has taught me is that no matter where you are in life, discipline is one of the most important things that can help you do what you actually want to do. To give you an example, even today, like my routine is still very hectic. The kind of exercises I do are very different. Like you saw, I am a para swimmer and a lot of training goes behind it. Sometimes in the mornings I go swimming early, 5 to 7 in the morning. I have to wake up at 4. Other days I have to go to the gym in the morning, which is not so early, but it has a schedule. And in the evenings, every single day, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., you go to the pool, you work out, you enter the pool, you do all the training that there is, and then you come out and then you cool down. It's very repetitive. But I know that it is important that I follow this because I have a goal in mind. And once you have that goal decided in your mind, it becomes a lot easier to know how you're going to get there. In my opinion, there's no goal that is unrealistic as far as you can cut it down into more realistic steps. So I believe dream big is the way to go. So yeah, thank you so much. And I really, really wish you all the best for your journey ahead. And may you have great success in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.